What's up, guys? We're back at Parker Performance, and today we have a goodie box. This came to us from Green Filters. Kayla at Green Filters, thank you so much for being a believer in what we're doing here at Parker Performance and taking good products like yours and disseminating that information down to our customers. So let's dive right in. We won't waste any time, and we'll get right to the good stuff here. Kayla saw our stuff on YouTube, and Alexander Sanders had a conversation with her and decided that it would be maybe good for you guys to learn a little bit about them. So they sent us some goodies. Let's see what we've got here. Universal cone filter. Let's see. All right, so that's exactly what it says it is. It's a universal cone filter. This is going to be for anybody that's doing like maybe you've got a Cobb air intake or something like that, and your filter is crushed or anything like that. This will give you the opportunity to replace that and go with a brand new filter. Green Filter is a reusable, oilable filter. We run these on drop-in filters on almost every one of the cars that come through the shop here. If you've been around us a long time, you know we're not big advocates on cold air intakes per se, especially in the EcoBoost platform. We tend to just typically recommend a drop-in filter in the stock box, and that seems to be sufficient for bolt-on power level cars. Let's see. So in your kit, looks like it comes with a serial number. I'm going to assume that you could register that for, let's see, shop online for a discount of 10% off. So you get a little sticker, your validation for your warranty, and a 10% discount code. Let's see what else they sent us here. This is maybe a different style universal. Looks like it says it's universal as well. Yep, so same idea. So we're gonna have a couple of these to work with you guys here on the local level. And this is actually a 5-inch. So those were 4s, this is 5. And what we'll do is we'll get with you guys that have maybe some older filters with some miles on it, or maybe they have the creases. Sometimes when you're installing them, people will tend to push on the front of the nose cone of the filter, and that'll actually, crush the filter content here, the filter media. So in that event, we can replace these for you guys, and you can give us your honest feedback and opinion on how this works for you. Well, we've been a believer in Green Filter for going on 3 years now, since we've been using them. And this looks like one of the drop-in filters here for the Mustang. Of course, this is going to be the one that I want to get in the most, and it is the one that is locked up like Fort Knox. There we go. Okay, so this is part number 7275, and you'll see there it says 2015 Mustang. This actually works on any of the Mustangs, the GT, the EcoBoost, the V6, the panel filters for the stock air intake. Even though each stock air intake is different, the actual box itself is the same. And so this will actually work on any of the Eco, V6 Cyclone, or the GT V8s. So this is our favorite filter. I've probably installed, I don't know, 100 of these for customers. So there you have it. And Green Filter is proudly made in the USA, right? That kind of tends to be our thing, right? We like to work with these guys that are doing, you know, United States-based stuff. Let's see. They're pre-oiled, so they're ready to use right out of the box. I think that's pretty much it as far as info on them. But anyway, we're going to put the link down below. You guys can order these. Hit us up if you have a air intake, maybe a Cobb or, I don't know, a JLT or something that needs a new filter. Hit us up. We're going to get with you. We'll do a swap out on your filter. We'll make sure that you have fresh air coming in that car, clean, fresh air with a Green Filter. So, Green Filter. Buy it. Replicate the way it was built on the factory side. So the first thing you're going to do, actually when you get it, you're going to have this retaining clip will be on here. You need